Karl and I first met at the 4-H fairgrounds. We were in 3rd grade showing our horses together. So that was 16 years ago.
So many years later, we've been friends all through high school, middle school, everything through 4-H. After 10 years, I was in a deer stand, fell out, wasn't wearing a harness, broke my leg.
And he was stuck at home with his 5 sisters by himself and bored out of his mind and wanted someone else to hang out with besides them. So he called me and enticed me to come over because his coon dog had puppies. So of course I'm not saying no to puppies. Like, yes, I'll come over and see the puppies.
There's always something around the corner, something more to be found.
Karl, buddy, you better know how lucky you are and what a special girl you have. You're getting a handful and a blessing at the same time, all wrapped up in one. We've watched you bounce around on ponies for years with your family at 4-H.
But to tell you the truth,
That was great.
honey, I just want
It's awesome. Thank you.
to you.
Yeah, I knew you were gonna get me.
Somewhere far above the fly.
And then she came and picked me up to go up to For Sale State Park to hang out because I was bored of nothing else to do. And Dennis is over there at the house. And he says, dude, no girl's gonna come pick you up.
Actually, it was your ugly ass up.
That's right, your ugly ass up
That looks like
to
that.
come over to just go hang out, all right? She wants more, so no, we're just friends.
I hope you two love each other, spend the rest of your lives with each other. One advice I can give you for being married for 10 years is make sure you kiss each other goodnight and tell each other you love each other. Cheers to Karl and Georgia, and hope you guys have a long, everlasting marriage.
Always something around the corner, something more to be found. And I'm sure the coast of California are beautiful right now.
We don't actually know when our first date was because we don't actually know when we went from friends to more than friends. So our actual anniversary date is a total guess, just an estimate.
I just want to let everybody know here how much these two mean to us. Watching them grow together, the things they've already come through makes me more than assured that they're going to be able to handle anything. And you make certain every day that you always remember this day and the pledges you made to each other and how important that was, because every day it's going to grow.
I was a wide-eyed soul, searching high and low.
I asked her just to share a great story about your time together, and this is what she said. She said, I would honestly say one of the funniest memories is when we went on what we call our first date, and we went coon hunting. His dog treed 3 coons in one tree, and he shot the first, but it took multiple shots. He told me to get the second one, and I shot once. He told me I didn't get it and to try again, but as I was telling him, I definitely did. It fell out of the tree after 1 shot. And he told me that it was not cool to outshoot him with his own gun on the first date.
I'm gonna love you forever, forever young together. The world is changing all around, but I found my solid ground. I'm gonna love you forever from now.
Karl, since the day we first met, over 16 years ago, and your sister joked about you having a girlfriend since I gave you a blue ribbon for beating you in every class, we've been friends. Talking every day after senior year at fair, to you trying to fly out of a tree and breaking your leg, then begging me to come hang out and give you someone to talk to besides your
I'm
family.
gonna love you forever.
Georgia, I tell you this every day. There's no better day to repeat it than today. You are the love of my life. You are the most beautiful woman I've ever laid my eyes on. You're my best friend. You make every day better, and I become a better man every day.
I want you to know there is no one else that I would rather love, fight with and for, laugh with, and pester with all my attitude. Thank you for always being my friend, and here's to looking forward to many more years of friendship as we become husband and wife.
Every wail in my soul and every move of my bones, I'm gonna love you forever from now.
She loves the outdoors. She likes the adventure. She strives to persevere, but I know what she loves. She loves, cares, and treasures her animals. She loves, cares, and cherishes her family and friends. But above all else, she loves, cares, and is head over heels for this good-looking Karl.
Good looking part, you got messed up.
First time I heard Karl's name was the time when he fell from a deer stand and Georgia was helping him recover. When it became a couple, I realized she literally made a guy fall in love with her.
I asked Scott on Thursday if I could ask her for her hand. On Friday, I got a ring, and Sunday, I asked her to marry me at the 4-H fair where we met. Her grandparents own the farm where we're getting married at, and Scott and Amy, her mom and dad, got married at the farm.
So we decided to make it our place of engagement and asked him to marry him in the 4-H arena during the fair.
Let me tell you about a story that simultaneously fills me with pride and a tinge of sadness. It was in Mexico, and to my amazement, Georgia, my little sister, outchugged me in a drinking competition. I mean, I thought I won, but yes, you heard that right, she did beat me. Thus, one of the moments I knew she was grown up. Here's to a lifetime filled with happiness, laughter, and you being at Georgia's mercy, Karl.
You may kiss your bride.
Together, with every wail of my soul and every move of my bones, I'm gonna love you forever from now. Forever from now. Forever from now. Forever from now. Forever from now.
Beat your sister. Beat your husband.